Student, welcome to BSc First Sem Maths class. In two classes, we discuss some recapitulations of matrices. Today, we have to discuss some important concept. In that, we discuss today theorems, some important theorems on matrices. The first theorem, very simple and interesting theorem, a square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix or matrices. Means a square matrix means m by m or n by n matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices or matrix. What is meant by symmetric? Symmetric means A is equal to A dash, means symmetric. A dash equal to A dash equal to minus A, means skew symmetric matrix. Let us discuss the proof of this theorem. Are you understand? Square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now I am giving proof. Let A be a square matrix. A be a square matrix and A dash be the transpose of matrix A. A dash be the transpose of matrix A. Now we can write A as, I am writing matrix A as 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. Any confusion in this expression? A can be written like this. I am writing A as 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. If you solve this, you can get A matrix only. A is only square matrix you are getting. If you want proof of this, just you can see how is it right or wrong. Now I am taking this 1 by 2 A plus A dash 1 by 2 A minus A dash equal to 1 by 2 into bracket. What left? A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. Correct? A dash get cancelled. What left? 1 by 2, 2 times A. This is equal to 2 get cancelled. A means this must be equal to A or not. So I am writing like this. Is it right? A equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash plus 1 by 2 a minus a dash. Now a equal to again I am changing something. A equal to p plus q. Call it as 1, where p equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash, q equal to 1 by 2 a minus a dash. Any confusion? No. Then now p equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash. Is it right? This implies shall I remove this? Okay. Now this implies p dash equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash raised to dash. Correct? This is equal to 1 by 2 outside a plus a dash dash. Correct? This is equal to 1 by 2 a dash plus a dash dash. Correct? This is equal to 1 by 2 a dash plus a dash dash is a. This implies 1 by 2 a plus a dash. This is nothing but your p, means p dash equal to p. This implies it is a what? Symmetric matrix. It is a symmetric matrix. Are you understand this point? P is 1 by 2 a plus a dash. I am taking transpose p dash equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash dash that raised to dash. 1 by 2 dash is same 1 by 2 a plus a dash of dash. A dash plus a dash dash. A dash as it is a dash dash of dash a. 1 by 2 a plus a dash. This is same as your p or not? P. P is p dash is equal to p, means p is a symmetric matrix. Okay, after that now I am taking q equal to 1 by 2 a minus a dash. Shall I take q dash? Q dash equal to 1 by 2 a minus a dash that raised to dash. Q dash equal to 1 by 2 as it is a minus a dash that raised to dash. Q dash equal to 1 by 2 into bracket a dash minus a. A dash minus a. Q dash equal to 1 by 2. Shall I take this? A minus a dash means minus 1 by 2 a minus a dash. Q dash equal to, what is this 1 by 2 a minus a dash? Minus of q. This implies q is symmetric. From 1 A equal to P plus Q. This is equal to, P means what? P is symmetric matrix. What is Q? Q is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Hence the result. Correct? Is it right? Are you understand? This is very important theorem for 5 marks. Okay? Every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Very simple proof. Are you understand? Okay, let us discuss one more important theorem on the same type. A and B are two symmetric matrices. Then prove that number 1, AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Second one is AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. What is that? Theorem number 2. A and B are two symmetric matrices. There are two symmetric matrices. Then you have to prove AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Second one is AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrices. Now we have to prove one by one. First I will give the proof of number 1. Proof. Let A and B are symmetric matrices. Then A and B are symmetric matrices means what? A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. Now AB plus BA bracket dash equal to AB plus BA. We have to show AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix, means AB plus BA dash must be equal to AB plus BA. Then only it is a symmetric matrix. AB plus BA dash equal to what? AB dash plus BA dash. Is it right? AB plus BA dash is nothing but AB dash plus BA dash. What is AB dash? AB dash, AB dash equal to B dash A dash, B dash A dash plus A dash B dash. Correct? AB dash transpose of two product of matrice means first one is B dash, second A dash plus A dash B dash. This is equal to, what is B dash is equal to what? B dash equal to what? B. A dash equal to what? A plus A dash is A, B dash is B. Correct? This is same as BA plus AB is same as AB plus BA. This implies AB plus BA dash is equal to AB plus BA. This implies is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Are you understand the first part? AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix, means AB plus BA dash must be equal to AB plus BA. Therefore, first one is proved. Next, second one, proof 2. Proof 2. Let A and B are two symmetric matrices, A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. Here, AB minus BA whole dash must be equal to again AB dash minus BA dash. Correct? Transpose. A dash B dash, A dash minus A dash B dash means transpose. Dash means transpose. This is equal to B dash means what? B. A minus A B. Now I am taking minus into bracket AB minus B. This implies AB minus BA dash must be equal to minus of AB minus BA dash. This implies AB minus BA dash must be equal to minus of AB minus BA means it is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence the result. Are you understand the two important theorems of matrices? Let us discuss one more and last theorem of matrices. A and B are two symmetric matrices. AB is symmetric matrix if and only if AB equal to BA. This is very important theorem. A and B are two symmetric matrices. Then product of these two symmetric matrices is also a symmetric matrix if and only if this condition is satisfied. AB must be equal to BA, then only AB is a symmetric matrix. AB is a symmetric. This can be proved in two ways. First is necessary part, second one is sufficient part. We are proving this in two ways. First proof, necessary part. Necessary part. Here I am considering AB is a symmetric matrix. I will prove AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. I will prove this one. Okay? Necessary part. Let A and B are two symmetric matrices. A equal to A dash, B equal to what? B dash. Now, AB is a symmetric matrix. AB is symmetric matrix. I am considering AB is a symmetric matrix. If AB is symmetric matrix, AB dash equal to what? AB or not? AB dash must be equal to AB, then only AB is a symmetric matrix or not? AB is symmetric matrix, AB dash must be equal to AB. What is AB dash means? B dash A dash equal to AB or not? B dash A dash equal to AB. What is B dash? B dash is equal to what? B. A dash equal to what? A. BA equal to what? AB. This implies AB is equal to BA. This is proved or not? AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. Correct? AB equal to BA. This is necessary part of the theorem. Next, sufficient part. Number 2. Sufficient part. What is that sufficient? Reverse. Reverse we can go. Next part is sufficient part. Okay, let us discuss one more, second part, sufficient part of the theorem. What is that sufficient? First, we taken AB is a symmetric, we proved AB equal to BA. Now I am taking AB is equal to BA, I will prove AB is symmetric matrix. This is sufficient condition. Now AB is equal to what? BA. AB equal to BA. Taking transpose on both sides. What happens? AB dash must be equal to BA dash. Is it right? AB dash must be equal to BA dash. This is equal to A dash B dash. Correct? What is that? AB dash equal to B dash A dash. BA dash means A dash B dash. This is equal to, what is A dash? A dash is A. What is B dash? B dash is B. Means AB dash must be equal to AB implies AB dash must be equal to AB implies AB is a symmetric matrix. Are you understand? All the three theorems, very interesting theorems. We discuss first theorem, second theorem and third theorem. You understand, you read it and say it properly and write down systematically. If you are any doubts, just you chat to me or on WhatsApp. I'll give the answers. Thank you.